We've moved a lot of dirt so far, but there's still a lot left to go. So far to date, we've moved approximately 400,000 cubic yards of material. We have approximately 600,000 cubic yards remaining to be moved on the project. The contractor really supplies the job from a labor and equipment standpoint based on their need.
In our company, we've got very big equipment, very small equipment, everything in between. We have excavators that their purpose is to literally dig the dirt and load trucks to move it somewhere else. Then we have the trucks. Their purpose is to take the material and haul it somewhere where it's going to be fill. Once you get to the fill, that's where you have a bulldozer. So when the truck dumps it, it's a heap. The bulldozer knocks it down to where it can actually be in like a 1 foot lift roughly. Then the last piece of the puzzle is what's called compactors. It rolls the material, takes it from loose to solid. That way we can actually build a road on top of it. When we're in dirt and we're not having to hammer, the excavator can just dig and load. A good day is like 150 truckloads. Realistically, most of this is rock that we're having to dig out a huge boulder. Somebody hammers it into smaller sizes so we can actually load it. When we're in situations like that, it's more like 60 loads a day. So typically on this project, we load our dump trucks to haul approximately 10 cubic yards per load. There's roughly 1 million cubic yards to move on this job. So that means in total, there's 100,000 dump truck loads. So far, we've moved about 40,000 dump truck loads with 60,000 left. So we're almost halfway on the project.
Grade work is a continuous kind of item that we have throughout the different phases of construction. So we'll have more material that's dug out than we'll have to put a place on the project. We do have to coordinate with the contractor to make sure that it is going to a permitted site.
So the excess material on this project, luckily UT owns property just adjacent to the job that used to be like a 40-foot deep valley. We worked out a deal to where we're filling in that valley to bring it level with the roadway. That way it can be used for a future building site for the university. A big thing that's going to dictate our progress is how well we work in conjunction with the wall builders, because them building the wall relies on us excavating, and us excavating relies on them building the wall. So we've got to really be a good team, making sure that we're both efficient and both where we need to be moving forward.